Racing just is started with his rumble in front position. Witness in Manila, top notcher in the portion. Lucky Touch. Mamika is racing in fourth. Then comes Ona Rosa, Queen Alicia, Luna Rosa. Security Forces down on the inside. Europa. Then next online is Grand Homer. While Hallelujah is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Lucky Touch on its favorite position as the pace setter, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Top Notcher. Mamika is racing in third. Then comes Witness in Manila. Security Force on a Rose comes next. Luna Rosa, Europa, then followed over by Grand Homer, Queen Alicia, while Hallelujah still racing in 11th. And at the far turn, Lucky Touch by about half length. Moving up now, what the outside is Top Notcher. Mamika joining them. Then comes Security Force. On a Rose comes next. Luna Rosa. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Top Notcher by a length and a half. And on the outside, second is Mamika. Then down on the inside, Lucky Touch, Security Force. Last 100 meters, we have Top Notcher. On the outside now is Mamika. Top Notcher, Mamika, Top Notcher, Mamika, and finally it's a close finish. Top Notcher, Mamika. Then comes Honor Rose, Security Force, Luna Rosa, and Lucky Touch for your Super 6.
Sino yung tercero ay? 4?
7, Honor Rose.